Are you struggling to remove the lookup and share option from your text view in Swift 3? You're not alone. This is a common issue that many developers face, and today we're going to tackle it together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you think you've got everything under control, only to find that pesky lookup and share option still hanging around. It's like trying to get rid of an unwanted guest at a party. Here's the situation. One user reached out asking how to remove the lookup and share option after successfully disabling cut, copy, paste, select, and select all. If you've been in a similar boat, stick around as we dive into the solution. So, why is this happening? The lookup and share option is a default behavior in iOS text views, and while you can disable many actions, this one requires a different approach. Let's break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I have a special tip at the end that will help you customize your text view even further. You won't want to miss it. To remove the lookup and share option from a text view in Swift, the user will need to override a specific method in their custom text view class. In this method, the user should check if the action being performed is the lookup action. If it is, they should return false to disable it. The user should also ensure that they call the super implementation for any actions they want to keep enabled. This way, only the lookup and share option is removed. Putting it all together, the user's final implementation should look like this. This will effectively remove the lookup and share option from the text view. Fun fact: did you know that the first iPhone was released in 2007? It revolutionized mobile development. But even back then, developers faced their own set of challenges. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests modifying the canPerformAction method. They recommend allowing the select action while disabling others to remove the lookup and share options. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution suggests modifying the canPerformAction method to only allow the select action. By checking if the action is select, you can return true, and for all other actions, return false. Here's that special tip I promised. Consider creating a custom text view class that encapsulates all your text handling needs. This way, you can easily manage all the actions and behaviors you want. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the lookup and share option from your text view. Remember, customizing your app can greatly enhance user experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.